Welcome to the YouTube process. Dear students, previously in first two videos we have discussed about the what are the scalars, vectors, types of vectors, and thereafter addition of vectors, that means representation of vectors in graphical method, and thereafter addition of vectors. In what methods vectors can be added means triangular law of vector addition, parallelogram law of vector addition we have discussed, and thereafter we have further discussed about the magnitude of resultant vector in parallelogram law of vector addition, its special cases, and resultant vectors direction also we have calculated, right? Excuse me. Right, in this class we are going to discuss about the subtraction of vectors. Addition of vectors we have seen. Now let me see the subtraction of vectors. Sir, how a vector can be subtracted from another vector? Now this is the question. Actually, if you see, now this is nothing but a vector. This is nothing but vector. Okay, the name of the vector is a bar. Right here, I am taking another vector. Okay, the name of the vector is nothing but here b bar. Right? If the two vectors can be represented both in magnitude and direction by the two sides of triangle taken in the same arc. Same arc means tail of the second vector is coincidence with the head of the first vector. Okay, then their resultant can be represented by the third side of the triangle. We can take it as like this. Is it right? Suppose to this vector, okay, equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. You take the vector means then this portion of the vector will become minus d bar. That means minus d bar is the negative vector of d bar. Negative vector of d bar. Now you just see for this portion you apply the triangular law of vector addition. If two vectors can be represented both in magnitude and direction by the two sides of triangle, then their resultant can be represented by third side of the triangle taken in which order? Okay, opposite order. Now this one will become a bar minus b bar. That means r bar is equal to a bar minus b bar. That means resultant what I got here means r bar is equal to a bar minus b bar I got. Right, this a bar minus b bar how I can write means a bar plus minus of b bar. That means subtraction of two vectors is nothing but it is indirectly addition of a negative vector with a vector. Addition of a negative vector with the given vector is nothing but here, okay, subtraction of two vectors. That means how the two vectors can be subtracted from one another means we can subtract them like this. Is it right? Next two, thereafter multiplication of a vector with a real number. Multiplication of a vector with real number. Sir, multiplication of a vector with a real number. How that means real numbers. What are the real numbers means? Other than 0, all numbers are nothing but real numbers. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Minus 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. These all are nothing but real numbers. So suppose if any vector is multiplied with a real number, then what happened? Okay, let me see. For example, if you take a bar is a vector, is multiplied with a real number, multiplied with a real number lambda, then what happened? Let me see. So if vector a bar is multiplied with a real number lambda, then what happens means this one will becomes, okay, lambda a bar. That means magnitude of vector, this given vector, that means when the given vector is multiplied with a real number, then the magnitude of the vector is increased by the real number time. For example, if you take, now this is nothing but a vector a bar. Now this vector a bar is multiplied with a real number. Now multiplied with a real number lambda. Now in that case, okay, what happened? The direction of the vector is same, but its magnitude is increased by lambda times. For example, if you take, this is nothing but a vector a bar, right? Vector a bar. This vector a bar is multiplied with 2, multiplied with 2. Sir, vector a bar is multiplied with 2. Then what happened? A bar will becomes 2a bar. 2a bar means a 2a. Here vector one time is there. Here vector two times. It becomes 2 times. So 2 times means magnitude we have to show with increase. That means when any vector is multiplied with a positive real number, then the direction of the given vector is same. Its magnitude is increased by number of times of the real number. Suppose this is the first case. Suppose if you take second case, this is the first case, right? If a bar is multiplied with minus lambda, in that case see, minus into a is equal to minus a bar. Minus into a bar is minus a bar. Actually this is a given vector. What is the vector a bar? Suppose this a bar vector is multiplied with minus lambda. So in that case vector direction will becomes, vector magnitude is increases and its direction will becomes reverse. Now this is nothing but a bar is a vector. This a bar is multiplied with, okay, minus 2. Then it will becomes minus 2a bar. Minus means negative. So what it means? It is increases. That means any vector is multiplied with a real number, then that vector, any vector is multiplied with a real number, then what happen means magnitude of the vector will becomes increases. Its direction is depending upon the multiplication of real number. If it is a positive real number, the direction of the initial vector is same as that of the final. If the vector is multiplied with a negative real number, then the magnitude is increased by real number times and the direction is opposite to the direction of initial vector. Now this is about the subtraction of vectors and multiplication of vectors. Afterwards we are having vector addition. Once again, vector addition. So what is this one? Another time we are having here vector addition. See, vector addition previously we have seen in which method means graphical method. Graphical method we have studied the vector addition. Now vector addition here we are having in analytical method. Right. See, before going to this vector addition in analytical method, okay, we are having some other topic. Let me complete that topic. What is the name of the topic? Means resolution of vectors. Right, look at here, resolution of vectors. Sir, what is the concept of resolution of vectors? Means the process of splitting a single vector into its components. That means if a single vector is splitting, means dividing into its component, means that process is said to be here resolution of vectors, resolving of a given vector. For example, if you see here, this is a vector. What is the name of the vector? Vector name is nothing but a bar. This vector a bar is not lying exactly along x-axis or y-axis, but this vector a bar is lying in xy plane. That means, see, this is nothing but vector a bar. Here I am going to take. This is x-axis and here this y-axis. Right? Now this is nothing but vector a bar. This is vector a bar. Now this vector a bar is making an angle, how many degrees? Theta degrees with x-axis. That means here vector a bar is there. Suppose if a bar is acting along the x-axis, means we can tell the influence of the vector is only along x-axis. Suppose if the vector a bar is acting only along y-axis, means we can tell the influence of the vector is only along the y-axis. But here vector is acting in between x and y planes like this. Now in that case, the vector a bar's effect is, of course, it is there along the x-axis as well as along the y-axis. Now if you draw a perpendicular from here to here, one perpendicular. Now this is the name is nothing but N. Now this is the name is nothing but P. Now here to here you draw another perpendicular. Now here the point is nothing but, okay, right, here a bar's effect is being along the x-axis. Along the x-axis means, of course, what we can take, vector a bar effect along the x-axis plus vector a bar effect along the y-axis, right? Like this we can do, where ax and ay are the components of given vector a bar along x and y directions. Is it? Now from this one we can write ON is equal to ON bar is equal to a bar. Here ON is equal to a. Next to OMO NP, both are parallel. OM bar is equal to NP bar is equal to, both are parallel. That equal to what we can write, AY bar. Of course, this is in vector form. Only in magnitude form, scalar form. How we can write? OM is equal to NP is equal to AY. We can. Next, ON is nothing but along the x-axis. So AX bar, this is nothing but AX. Next, OP bar. OP bar is equal to what I can write means A bar. Of course, OP is equal to what I can write means A. I can. Now, from the right angle triangle, which right angle triangle? OPM. Okay, OPM. By the triangle law of vector addition. By the triangle law of vector addition. vector addition. Right, what is the triangular law of vector addition here? See, this one is nothing but ax bar. Here OM and NP both are parallel, so I can draw here M1. See, ax bar, see, this is nothing but NP bar. This is nothing but OM bar. OM bar head is coincidence with the NP bar shifting. So these two are in same order. What we can write? Ax bar. This one also ay bar. Ax bar plus ay bar is equal to what we can write? A. So from the triangular law of vector addition, right? Ax bar plus ay bar is equal to what I can write here? A bar. Where ax and ay are components means parts. Ax so ay is the part of the vector A, parts of the vector. Components of vector A along x and y axis. Is it? Right. Suppose if I cap and j cap are unit vectors along x and y axis. In that case, ax bar is equal to, we can write ax into I. Unit vector means the vector whose magnitude is 1. Next, ay bar is equal to, we can write ay into j. Is it? Now from this one, this equation 1 becomes, right? Equation 1 becomes, how we can write? A bar is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap. Right here, ax and ay are the rectangular components of vector a bar and b bar. Is it? Next, afterwards, if you just see continuation. Now once again, I am going to take the right angle triangle. From the right angle triangle OPN, cos theta I will take. Cos theta is equal to, let me see, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Is nothing but ON divided by OP. From this one, ON is equal to OP into cos theta. ON is nothing but AX. So AX is equal to OP. What is the OP? OP is A cos theta. AX value is equivalent to this much. Now this one you write equation number. Next, this is equation number 3. Right, next from this one only. Sin theta is equal to, from this right angle triangle, sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is NP. Hypotenuse is OP. NP divided by OP. So from this one, NP is equal to OP sin theta we can write. So NP is nothing but here AY is equal to A suffix y. This is AY is equal to A sin theta. We can write. Now this is nothing but equation number 4. Right? From these two, equation 2 becomes. From these two, equation 2 becomes. What is the equation 2? You just see. Equation number 2 is nothing but we may have here A bar is equal to AX means A cos theta I cap plus AY. AY is nothing but A sin theta. Okay, J cap we can write. So given vector A bar is lying in xy plane we can resolve this given vector as ax bar plus ay bar, otherwise axi cap plus ayj cap, otherwise a cos theta I cap plus a sin theta j cap, where a cos theta comma a sin theta are called rectangular components of given rectangular components of given vector. Given vector is a bar. For this a bar, a cos theta plus a sin theta is nothing but rectangular components. We can call them. Right? Next, by squaring and adding equation number 3 and 4. Equation number 3 and 4, by squaring and adding both sides, what we can do? Right here, this is ax square plus ay square is equal to a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Now from this one, if you write here ax square plus ay square is equal to a square, you take it common, so cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to ax square plus ay square. So cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. A square of 1 is equal to ax square plus ay square. So a is equal to ax square plus ay square under root. Now where is nothing but, where a is nothing but magnitude, right? This is expression for magnitude of given vector. Expression for magnitude of given vector. Whatever it may be the vector, vector magnitude if you want means you have to make it, okay, square of the x component, square of the y component plus under root we have to take. Next, the direction of a bar with ax bar. That means at what angle this a bar vector is lying with respect to this x, means right from the right angle triangle OPM. Once again, tan theta is equal to OPM. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent side. Opposite is nothing but NP, adjacent side is nothing but, okay, OM. Right, from this one, theta equal to tan inverse of what is this? Otherwise, you write one more step. Right, tan theta is equal to NP is AY, ON is AX. So theta is equal to, we can write tan inverse of AY by AX. We can now, by using this one, we can find out the direction. See, everything whatever I have given here. Now here vector a bar I have written in terms of a cos theta and a sin theta. Here given vector a bar I have written in terms of the unit vector. Here given vector a bar is I have written in terms of the components of the vectors. So if a vector is lying in a plane, okay, how we can write the given vector? What is the direction of the vector formula? Last, what is the magnitude of the given vector formula? What is the, okay, vector's effect along the x-axis means a cos theta. What is the vector's effect along the y-axis? Is nothing but a sin theta. Now these things we can study in resolution of vectors. Resolution of vectors means the process of splitting a given vector into its components. A vector has split into its components as Ax bar and Ay bar. That means whatever the effect is given by the single vector is given by the addition of these two vectors. These two components of two vectors is used whatever the effect, the same effect is given by this single vector. Yes, make it up. Alright. Next topic, vector addition, analytical method. Analytical method means previously we have added the two vectors by using the graphical method. Analytical method means if you take the two vectors, if two vectors A bar is equal to Ax I cap plus Ay j cap, at the same time B bar is equal to Bx I cap plus By j cap is there. Right? How to add the two vectors? R bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, otherwise R bar is equal to A bar minus B bar. How to add the two vectors? How to subtract the two vectors? First, R bar is equal to, we can write A bar means A bar plus A bar. A bar means Ax I cap plus Ay j cap, bracket close, plus B bar means B vector we have to take Bx I cap plus By j cap. Is it? Now in which, while you are adding the analytical method of vector addition, I component is only added with the I component. X component is added with X component. So here I can write Ax plus Bx into I cap plus Ay plus By into j cap I can write. Is it? Now from this one R bar is equal to, I can write what I can write A plus B is nothing but R. Ax plus Bx is nothing but Rx I cap plus Ry j cap. We can write it like this. Is it? Next one, R bar is equal to, here R bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, first I am doing. Right, next one, A bar minus B bar. A bar minus B bar means, see, I can write Ax minus Bx I cap plus Ay minus By j cap. So R bar is equal to, in subtraction, Rx I cap minus Ry j cap, plus of course, like this. But you cannot understand this one, okay, with simple explanation like this. Let me have an example. Right, suppose if A bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap is there. B bar is equal to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap is there. Now this is the k cap. K cap means unit vector along the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Right? What is the A bar plus B bar? A bar plus B bar means, see, A bar is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus here 3I cap minus 2j cap plus here k cap I can write. So here I can take 4j cap. 4j cap. Okay, right. Next you see, here I cap is there. Here I cap, 3I cap is there. I cap plus 3I cap, 4I cap. Next plus 4j cap minus 2j cap is nothing but plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus k cap is nothing but 4k cap. A bar plus B bar is nothing but, we can get it like this. So addition of these two vectors is nothing but this. So what is the magnitude of addition of these two vectors? Means magnitude means modulus. A bar plus B bar is equal to square root of square of the I component. What is the square of the I component? 4 square plus 2 square plus 4 square we can get. So 16 plus 4 plus 60 is nothing but 36 is nothing but 6 is the answer. You write here. Okay, solve here. A bar minus B bar for these two vectors. And you just find out, okay, modulus of A bar minus B bar also. First A bar minus B bar you do and modulus also you find. Okay, make it.